Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel VLSI for all. Let us see some of the Verilog interview questions. Today, our first question is: what are the different styles of Verilog coding? And this is the proper answer for it. A Verilog code can be written in the following styles. The first one is data flow style, second one is behavior style, third one is texture style, and fourth one is mix style. Let us see the first one, the data flow style. Here, the data flow style is given with the definition and with an example also. In the data flow style of modeling, logic blocks are realized by writing their Boolean expression. Here, we taken an example of the 2 is to 1 mux of 1 bit data width. Here, let us see. First one is the module and the initialization. Here we take the input a comma b comma s and output as y, and we take a virus as bar. Here the main function or the functionality is written here. The assign y is equal to a end with s bar or s end with b. Here this is the boolean function for the 2 is to 1 mux, and as we assign the s bar, the negotiation of s to the s bar, and we end the module. Here uh, we have to see that here the main function, which is the functionality which is assigned with the boolean expression. And let us see the second one is the behavior style. In the behavior style of modeling, instead of writing the Boolean expression, the behavior of the described, we take the same example as the 2 is to 1 marks. Here, the initialization are the same as the previous one. Here, let us see the functionality. Here, always at the rate of S or A or B. Here, S is the selection line, A and B are the inputs. If S is equal to 0, we assign A to the Y, else we assign B to the Y. Here, we consider the behavior of the mux, and we wrote the code according to the behavior. So that's why it is known as the behavioral style. And another one is the structural style. The structural style is a hierarchical design style in which a logic block is realized in terms of its basic subblocks. A subblock can be logical gate or any complex logic block. Here let us see the example for it. Here also we has initialized the inputs a b s and output as y. Here the this style is differ from the other styles based on this property. That is, here we uses the logic gates or any complex logic blocks. Therefore, we give the functionality and we wrote the code according to the gates. Therefore, here we use the NOT gate, and one is the instantiation, and S bar is the output, and S is the input. As like that, here we get the AND gate, and the instantiation is A1, and Q1 is the output, S bar and A are the input. As like that, for the 2 is to 1 mux, we need one NOT gate, two AND gates, and one OR gate. That's why we wrote the code like this. The, this is the structural style. The last one is the mixer style. The mixer style is the type of modeling in which the code can be written with the combination of above explained styles such as data flow, behavior, and structural. Okay, this is our second question. Our second question is: write a Verilog code for synchronous and asynchronous reset. We all know that the what is the difference between the synchronous and asynchronous. The synchronous means there is a common clock for the all the flip flops or the all the circuits which are involved in it. The asynchronous means there is a no common clock for it. Therefore, uh, synchronous reset. Synchronous means clock dependent, so reset must not be present in the sensitivity list. Here, we took an example that always at the rate of passage clock begin if reset. Let us say that here the in the sensitivity list we didn't wrote the reset because This is the synchronous reset. This is the code for the synchronous reset. Therefore, we did not. That is not mandatory to to write the reset in the sensitivity list. Uh, According to the asynchronous means clock independent. So reset must be present in the sensitivity list. Here we took an example that this is the main function of a code. Always at the rate of passage clock or passage reset begin if reset and we ended the function. Here, the passage reset is a mandatory one because it is asynchronous. Due to the due to the no common clock, there will be a mislead. So, uh, at the time of the mislead, we have to reset the overall circuit. So we use this the passage reset here, and this is the last question for today's session. Yeah, our third question is: tell me about Verilog file in and out operations. And this is the proper answer for it. We have the three commands that $f open R, $f open W, and $f open A. Here, these are the various different commands of IO operations on the files. Here, we will see the individual commands. The function $f open R opens an existing file for reading. The second one is the $f open W. The $f open W opens a new file for writing. The third one is $f open A. The $f open A opens a new file for writing where any data will be appended to the end of the file. This is all about today's session. Thank you.